Hi guys, once again welcome back to Stay Charming. My name is Pooja. I'm back with one more hairstyle, and this hairstyle is fish braid, kind of messy fish braid hairstyle. If you guys are watching my channel for the first time, I request you to subscribe to my channel and become part of this charming family. Also hit the bell button to get the notification of all the latest updates. To start this hairstyle, I am twisting some of my hair to give a puffy kind of look to front section of my hair, and I am securing it with the help of tic tac pins. You can use bobby pins also. After doing this, take all your hair on one side. It's completely your choice. If you want to make your braid at left side, you can take it on left side. If you want to make your braid on the right side, you can take it on the right side. After this, divide your hair into two equal sections and start making fishtail braid with the help of your thumb. It becomes very easy when you make this fish braid with thumb. Otherwise, you can use your own method also, but this is very easy method. Now complete your braid till end point. After that, secure it with a rubber band. You guys can follow me on Instagram also. My Instagram username is stay_charming07. You guys can subscribe to my another YouTube channel also, which is Beauty and Creativity. After reaching the end point, secure it with the help of rubber band. To give your braid messy look, start pulling your hair the way I am doing here. That's all for this video guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you really liked this video, please hit that like button. So meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming.